Hi, this is Riley, and this is Torrevieja News for Thursday, the 30th of July, 2026, brought to you by White Doves. Your funeral plan, will, and probate all under one roof. Let's start with a local proposal right here in La Mata. The Sueña Torrevieja Municipal Group is putting forward a plan to the local council for a full restoration of the historic Plaza del Embarcadero. Spokesperson Pablo Samper highlighted that current defects, worn tourist signs, and damaged elements are hurting the image of this key landmark. Following an amendment by the Popular Party, the proposal suggests the work be carried out by the Ministry of Environment in collaboration with Torrevieja Town Hall, ensuring proper municipal involvement to protect the area's heritage and identity. Staying local, Orihuela Town Hall is launching a new consumer voucher scheme to support resident purchasing power and boost local trade. The local government will invest 880,000 euros into the initiative, which allows registered residents aged 18 and over to purchase vouchers at a 50% discount. The vouchers will be available in values of 10, 20, 50, and 100 euro, with a maximum purchase limit of 200 euros per person, effectively giving shoppers double the spending power at participating local businesses. Widening out slightly to Elche, the town hall has secured over 732,000 euros in European Union funding for several key urban projects. The money will support three main areas: expanding the municipal fleet with new electric buses, creating a new digital study room at the Altabix Youth Center, and installing dedicated traffic monitoring cameras to manage access in low-emission zones. Also in Elche and expanding across to Alicante, collector fans are in for a treat this August. Europe's largest collecting event, Icons, is debuting in both cities. The show brings together pop culture, vintage collectibles, rare memorabilia, and iconic items from cinema and gaming, offering fans across the province a major new summer event to explore. Moving into environmental news across the wider Alicante province, emergency services and environmental teams were deployed to Mucha Vista Beach in El Campello after a loggerhead turtle nest containing 61 eggs was discovered. Because the original spot near the Tobago residential area sees high foot traffic, experts carefully relocated the eggs to a quieter stretch at Rincón de la Zofra. The new nest has been fenced off and placed under special surveillance, with a volunteer monitoring camp set up ahead of hatching expected in around 50 to 60 days. That brings us to the end of today's local roundup. If you want to find out more about these stories and others, visit thisistorrevieja.com and remember to follow and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. Today's This is Torrevieja News was brought to you thanks to White Doves, specialists in estate and funeral planning. Find out more at whitedoves.es. I'm Riley Villa. See you next time.